Boob cheese is the answer, but what's the question? Kamnik has it all. A rich history, 3 castles, lots of microbreweries, traditional food, spectacular mountains. But I feel like something's missing. We need something more substantial, more memorable to flash the tourists. I know just the thing! Okay, so how do we make Trnič? Obviously the internet knows all. Okay, let's see. How to make boobs, Trnič, okay? And here we go. Let's go milk a cow. How to milk. Ooh. How to milk a cow. Hey, it works! Sweet, okay, only 499 more to go. Everybody loves boobs and everybody loves cheese, so Trnič is the perfect combination. And if you want to be as cheesy as this commercial, come to Velike Planine in Slovenia. It's magically boobtastic.